We are about to start crossing the coveted 340-meter long bridge leading to Burj Al Arab. If you would like to take some photos, we will be stopping shortly and have a camera set up for the perfect shot.
Right now it's on the 15th floor because every suite extends to 2 floors. So that round will take the best suite, right? And one more thing, when we didn't have another gold inside upstairs, there's some more gold here and here.
Katrina, and be a bachelor throughout your journey. It's my job to make you feel like superstars. To the living room, get ready for the burst of colors. About 4 elements: air, earth, water, and fire. Our designer Khuan Chew said that fire is the strongest and the brightest color of all, the king of palette. On the prism on the top of the hotel, you can see more reds and yellows. And here on this wall, you can see red color. And there is kind of orange. These silk clothes appear to change color throughout the day, depending on the position of sunlight. Especially in the evening, we can see different shades of red. His Highness, our Sheikh, wanted this room to have a totally welcoming feel. While being beautiful and luxurious, he also envisioned it to have many design elements. And for example, this Japanese screen dates back to the 19th century, means more than 200 years. Hermes bubble bath. We use Hermes amenities. If you are not in the mood for a bath, you can take a shower and be surrounded by the 24-karat gold. Inside we have gold, incredible golden design we can take. You can rotate this bed with a touch of the bottom. On the handmade carpets from people surprise, we have carpets in the bathrooms. You can touch marble from Italy, you can see fabric from royal supplies in London, and sense of toilets from Japan. This is about opulence, to make you feel like you are clean and rich. Library is dressing room and bathrooms. Row suite can comfortably accommodate up to 6 guests. At the end of your journey, thank you so much for your attention. It was a pleasure to me to be your butler.